Game can't find its code because of the Scripthookv.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. Before starting the detailed Scripthookv fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Scripthookv, the foundational scripting bridge used in Grand Theft Auto V modding, enabling external plugins, .asi files, to interface with the game's scripting engine. After official updates, outdated or missing versions can cause launch failures, often producing unsupported game version or module-related errors. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The file Scripthookv.dll is required for Alexander Blade to properly initialize, and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Scripthookv message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. If you're attempting to install Scripthookv.dll yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Scripthookv. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Scripthookv from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.